Hey everybody, is that blood on the seat? Probably. Gross. Hey look, the camera's fogging. What else is new? Remember the seat? We have a new seatbelt for this thing, but obviously I don't even want to really waste it because this one's just getting... But what happened was, I think they actually broke this shit. I don't know, I gotta put this thing back correctly. That's not correct, I think. They said it was stuck down there because when you go with your seatbelt, you're supposed to pull your seatbelt nice and slow. Don't go and don't push buttons. It could go You don't do that. That's how you break shit. But the thing broke, and I had one of these for a while. It's a Toyota part actually. I'm not using GM. Toyota doesn't support America anymore. A little off color, but then again, her seatbelt is smoke black, so you know, dirt black. It's pretty freaking bad. This is pin though. I gotta figure out how do I put this thing in. You just use your existing hole. You can either melt it or I might try riveting it. But look at that. Now that thing actually stays. Once I fix it. I looked on the other side, which is also half broken. Look at how nasty that seatbelt is. I don't even look at that. I'm just gonna cover that up with something here. Put a mask over it so you don't see like in the store. And I don't know how I'll rivet it or maybe melt it. Maybe I'll post a video like this and what would you do? Or I might ask a friend because I think they used to put these in at the dealer. I might ask a friend. But then again, I'm banned on the internet, so maybe not. Yeah, the GM part, they want like $15 for it. I remember I bought the Toyota one. Toyota one used to be like cents. Now it's like $4. Nice. That's what happens when you leave your windows open and the shit gets wet in there. Peels. Okay. We gotta figure this out and get another one. Go to Fort Myers Toyota and pick up another one. What a shithole place that is. Alright, seatbelt stuff's busted. Say wing! Don't show that seatbelt. See another video. I determined in my other video that I'll just be melting it. And which way was it? GM? Yeah, I just checked the price. And they want like $15 for this style, which is half broken on this side. It's half broken. It's still hanging in there. Yeah. So the riveted side was in the back. Put it in. I'm gonna use 2 vice grips. I'll show you. It's set up. Toyota. Love what you do to me, Toyota. Make sure your seatbelt buckle is higher than the thing before you put this on. See someone screwing that up. I use 2 vice grips just to get it really tight. Oh, you see it's not that tight because that happened. No, if you do that in a Ford, you go right through the rocker panel now because they are aluminum. I'm going to put this one back on. We got a soldering iron. I'm just going to melt that down carefully until it's a nice button because there is like a crimping tool but nobody has it. Just melt the shit out of it. It'll last. Now, is it hot enough? Oh, it's going down there. Heat slowly, make a little button, fill it in, just make sure it is tight. A little plastic welding. Probably someone out in the street bugging me. Don't drop your soldering iron on the seat. Not that this matters on this thing. This thing's pretty melted up. You're doing this messed up, I know. I know. I know. I'll clean it up after, don't worry about it. Just make it flush. Maybe go up a little bit. We can take our vice grips off and clean it up. That's pretty much the install. Like even when you melt it. Some people use, they heat up a nail or something or a screw. And then just go on it too. It also work. Not the best, but you know, I can clean it up more, but I don't care. I can maybe grind it up there. This seatbelt's kind of dying anyway. See, it's like missing a piece right there. But it'll work eventually. Don't pull it hard. But somebody will, and they will break it. That's the deal. At least it doesn't fall down anymore. Alright, this is part number for beige. And then they come black and gray and, you know, boom. Toyota. Have like a little crimping tool for these things. They like goes down like a hole puncher. But I don't see the point. Alright, that's not blood on the seat, I swear. I don't know, it's not my rig. Look at this condition of this cover. Jesus. Jesus. Alright. That's probably gonna break in a week. Slowly. Like this rate. When you put it on. It's also good for the retractor. Good for everything. Not bad. MSRP, but if I get it locally, I actually have like a 20-cent discount. But there's your part number right there. I might get another one. I thought I had to go to the Toyota dealer. No, I can go to the Lexus dealer, which is right across the street from here, and have to give them props. I used to go to that one, I think. That's not that far away though. Different thing. That's the part number though. 147. I think I'm out the door. $1.63. I get a discount though. You can buy it online too, but for your Chevy, you might as well just buy the Toyota part or Lexus, whatever's closer to you. Obviously, it looks like I can buy it online, pick it up there, so I'm gonna do that. Get another one. I need one now for the passenger side. That was the one for the passenger side, but it wasn't fully broken yet. So there you have it. Don't buy it from GM. It costs $15. And don't buy Dorman, because Dorman sucks and probably is more than $1.47.